are going to a nursery in the middle of nowhere. That's where you get the good pricing and everything. And
people are going to be offended if you say it's the middle of nowhere.
it is the middle of nowhere, isn't it?
It's not the middle of nowhere. It's just like more farmy.
Hopefully we'll find colorful pumpkins, because a month ago when we came here, we saw a variety of different pumpkins. And since Thanksgiving is coming up, we're going to carve some pumpkins. It's a Halloween thing.
Yeah.
Well, Halloween is also coming up. What are you going to carve? Maybe a butterfly? The last time we went, there was a lot of big pumpkins and they had different colors. We're gonna find blue pumpkins. Blue pumpkins. Hopefully they're not sold out, because we saw it a month ago. The windows with my reflections is really weird. I don't know why there's so much reflections. But let's just ignore that. I think they dyed it. I don't know how they made it blue.
I think they dyed it.
Then how did they make it blue? I was trying to set up a camera angle and I was trying not to put him in the shot, right? But then he was like, no, it's okay. I can be in the shot. So he basically signed up to be in this in the stream. But yeah, let me show you guys my little crafting kit that I'm trying to put together. So this is going in my car, well, in his car every time. And when I'm bored, like when we're driving long distance, then I can crochet something or something. Oh, I forgot scissors. That was one thing. Did you guys know you can't do anything without scissors? Like, you can have all your material, but you just can't do anything without scissors. That's crazy. We have too much dependency on scissors. I think we need to boycott scissors. It even has the eye pins and everything. And then I put it inside my car. You don't need scissors when you have chopsticks. Wait, how? Look how nice it is. Oh, cows. Stop trying.
Conclude that you should probably hold the camera up instead.
I didn't realize how hard it is to put a camera in a car. We went pretty early. I think they only opened like an hour ago.
They open at 9. It's just that if you have to take care of your livestock, you kind of have to be up early.
Oh, true. Do you think farm animals wake up early?
I think they follow the sun.
They follow the sun? Wow, they're better than us. I'm wearing my jacket. I made this jacket, actually. It's made terribly. But it has really big pockets. Pockets for days. I can put my whole hand inside. Let's see if there's goats today. It says no parking, but look at these goats. Oh my god, the chickens. Look at these chickens. Hi chickens. Hi goats. Oh my god. They're like lined up here as if they're waiting for people to come. That's a golden chicken. And a golden coat.
Smells like farm.
Smells like farm.
Yeah, that's right.
Hi. Look how cute they are. It's called Devan's greenhouse. It's actually pretty nice. Wow, thank you. Are these real?
No, I think they're colored.
How did they color it? Oh, they're called eucalyptus. See, look how cheap it is. This is $2. I see pumpkins, but they're all orange. They're not colorful. These are so cute. Turtle vines. Dwarf banana plants. I thought bananas don't give seeds anymore. because we killed all the seeds.
Which pumpkin do you think are you thinking of getting?
I don't know. Ouch. Why are they low-key painful to hold?
Low-key painful to hold. Is that what you just asked?
Yeah, I think they're kind of dying.
Yeah?
Squishy.
This one's pretty hard. Where are you getting squishy?
I mean, I guess this is more orange than regular pumpkins. I guess we don't have to get pumpkins. Why does this have so much things growing on it? There's herbs. We like herbs. Feel free to talk to the plants. Do you understand? Huh, right. Yeah, right. You can't get me with that. Ooh, maple leaves. Oh. This is where we can get the goats. I lost Caleb.
We don't have coins to feed them.
We never learn. We literally never bring coins for some reason.
Because who has a quarter?
So, this thing, let me show you guys, it's actually kind of cool. It's a vending machine. And there's like, I guess, food here for the goat. You put it in this pulley thingy. Then you can pull it up. But we're giving him a fake
So we're not going to give him false hope.
We're gonna give him false hope if we did. Oh my god, he already squared up. But that's what this is for. And it's funny because these goats, they're so used to it that they wait here. Oh no, now they're all coming. Hello, goat. Oh, he's coming even closer. Hi. Oh my god.
He's probably trying to figure out if he can eat that.
You can't eat my phone. You can't. This guy's coming even closer. Is the chicken coming to us too?
Chicken's coming.
Whoa, the chicken is straight up coming to us.
I was making chicken noises.
Hi, goat. I have nothing for you.
This one's got horns.
Yeah.
So, chicken.
Chickens. Hello.
Is that your new best friend?
He's my best friend. Oh, he's using his horn to scratch his back.
Yeah.
So smart.
Well, the goats see kids coming to the thing, so they think there's food.
Oh, yeah?
He's running for the food.
Oh, they're running for the food.
They're being faked out.
I wonder why some goats are there and then some goats are here.
I don't know. That would be a question for the establishment. Maybe you can ask him. Maybe he knows.
Why are you guys here? He's doing it again. What if he has fleas or something? I don't know anymore. There's no more green ones. They look like mushrooms. Should we make like a mushroom?
I just don't know how you're gonna carve that.
Oh shoot, it's like wet. Oh, what's this? This looks like this is yeah, it looks very brown. Well, maybe we do get this.
Yeah, so the blue ones were here before, but I think they're out.
Oh yeah, the blue pumpkins. I think people bought all the blue pumpkins.
Maybe. Are you getting one of those?
I'm thinking of it. Oops.
Okay.
Which one do you like more? This red one or this brown one down there?
Not the red ones.
Okay.
But I don't think you can carve your gourds like that.
Yeah, I think gourds are harder. Yeah.
Here's gourds.
Yeah, $111. I'm gonna put it in my jacket.
Alright, yeah, put the cheese in your jacket. And then I can grab these. Thank you. Looked up at
Okay.
you exposed the person that I was hiding behind your frame.
Caleb is so bad at holding cameras, man. But look, I'm using my jacket. Let's see if we can fit this pumpkin inside.
I don't think the opening is big enough, but the inside probably is.
Ugh. Oh, it's actually not big enough.
I don't think the opening is big enough.
Oh, the circumference is not big enough.
Careful, car.